Okay. Talk English. I get free for all on C-Town, show all the glitches and hidden spots on C-Town. You got a tactical iPhone?
Yes.
Okay, let's begin. You see die beeld like mooi hoor. My line count name is Karim234. The player is playing with me is LT Yuri.
Hoop Afrikaans praat.
Fuck off. We don't shoot each other. Hoor jy Yuri, ons fokke skiet nie mekaar nie.
Sorry, I do not understand Afrikaans.
Okay, just come to me. Where are you? Oh. Okay, the first play is to show you guys is well for infected, especially a private match. Go to community. There's also a good place to just jump down here, stay up here. It's a good place to shoot down there. Also the strap's also a good idea. I'm just going to show us another place. Guys, voel zoek nog een plek. Yuri must talk, man. Praat bietjie. Oh, down here. Also a good place. Well, it's difficult to get up here for a bit. Oh yeah, another place. It's well to go here. Yeah. Let's get up here. Okay, we should take out the campers in here. Another places is also a good place for camping. If you have claymores or bouncing bait, is down here. And also here, where people can climb up this ladder. As you can see down here. I highly recommend you guys avoid this place, especially for camping. Because a lot of guys will expect you there. Not a good place for infected. It's also to hide in here and lay down. And just sit here and camp if you have a sniper. Yuri, where are you?
Harry, come here, in the house.
Shoot! Schiet, though. Okay. Yeah. It's also a good place to take down people that's coming down in here. Yeah. Okay. Jump in this hole, you die. Okay, well, there's not a lot of places on C-Town that you can actually hide on. It's a good map to glitch out of the map. It's nice. Or as you also see outside here is literally a sea. Okay. Well, there's not a lot of places to hide on Sita. Okay, we're gonna move on to the next map. Okay, you think we're gonna move on to the next map now? Yuri, volgende map, volgende map. Yuri must talk more. We're gonna move on to the next map. Yuri.
Ik wil niet zo weten hier. Kijk eens zo. Dit is van de eerste keer.
Also a nice place to hide out for infected. Well, it's not the best place to be. Well. Okay. Guys, like this video. We're gonna show you a bit more soon. Repeat. Also a good hiding spot. Also use it for survival if you really want to. Okay, you're gonna move on to the next map. Please like our video.
Subscribe.
We're actually new. This is actually our first video. We're actually still trying. So like our video. I appreciate it. We'll see you guys soon again.
Nou, dat is niks aan.